Oh, morning world. Oh God, everything hurts. My back is killing me this morning. My legs are killing me, but my back, I'm barely even fucking moving. A lot of pain at the moment. Rightio, so that was yesterday's job. Done pretty good. Let's see what I can try and get. Let's see what we can try and get up to today, shall we? Oh, fuck. I'm not moving too flash, I tell you. Fuck. Oh, my back. Oh. Rightio, so this is fiberglass. So what I'd like to do, there's two bays here with a big hole in the middle. So there's two bays here. I'd like to get in and get them sanded back and maybe some paint on today. Oh. I've got this solar panel here I need to move out of the way. Oh my God, fucking hell. I am so much pain right now. Oh, this is pretty ugly up here. Don't know if that's going to work. I need to put my ladder on the other side. See if I can get any more amps down. Rightio, so turn the solar panel on. Gives me about an extra 3 amps just with that panel there. Rightio. Rightio, so I've just sort of basically wired this one in very quickly. It's only given me, this panel only gives me another 3-4 amps of power coming down. Not a lot. Oh shit. Oh, fuck, I'm not really up to this, I tell you. I'm in agony. I guess what I need to start with is get my grinder out, I suppose. This is going to have to be ground out. Maybe some patches in there. Oops, this is fiberglass behind. I want to be careful standing on that. Don't want to break that seam either. This is a hole directly over my bed. I might have to patch that. Might have to put the antenna up too. This TV antenna. Right. I have to try and get started somehow. This ain't easy. Ah, my little coloured box. So there's some markings on the roof from the paint, and I may have to go over and repaint. I'm not sure. Ugh. I need to go and get down. I need to go downstairs and get myself some tools and get up here and get organised. Alright, well, time to start getting into it. Slow bloody job. This is me. Oh, where are we? My TV antenna that I don't use. I need to get into start getting rid of these edges here. thought I'd just give it a light sand and a paint. Well, that's not going to happen. I'm glad I didn't cut a hole in the roof yet because there's just so much dust up here. So I don't think these blue flapper blades are as good as the black ones, so I'm going to go back to the black ones that were given me. These ones are good, but they're probably not aggressive enough for what I need up here. And I might get the air sander up and see if I can just do a quick run over everything with the air sander. So probably won't see any paint on this part of the roof today, but we'll just keep going as best we can and see if I can knock it off. So righty, I'll get back to you later. Oh, righty, well, I'll tell you what, this is back breaking up here. So I've done sanded. This is fiberglass. Sanded. Found some holes. I'm patching this one over my bed right now. Found another hole here. I should be able to patch. There's another couple of holes over there, but I might be able to just sort them out with this Tarzan shit. Probably put a bit of a seal up and around under there. A little bit more sanding, but anyway. The roof is certainly flexing a bit. And oh my God, am I feeling it today. So I just want to go and sit down and watch Netflix. Literally, that's all I want to bloody do. But I can feel there's some rain around. I don't know if we're expecting rain, but it just feels like it. The kookaburras have been going off the last couple of days as well. So oh, come on, you fucker. Oh my God, my back and my knees are feeling it today, especially my back. Oh. I'm not even sure I'll get any colour on this today. I may get a coat of sealer over it, but I want to get at least 2 coats of sealer on. So a little bit more sanding to do. I've got another patch to make. Rightio. Holy shit, that fucking hurt. I can barely stand up. Rightio, so I just need to put a bit of primer over this now. I'll go downstairs, grab some primer. Oh. I've got a hole here I should be patching. Yeah, alright, I'm going to have to patch that. And I might have to slip even a small patch in under this one here. Oh, God, I can barely stand up. My back's fucking killing me. I tell you, man, fucking agony. Right, I need to go downstairs, grab some primer, and measure up another 2 small patches. So, holy shit, I can barely walk. Rightio, so, oh, it's a bit windy up here now. A bit of primer on. Get some primer on here. Rightio. So now I've got a little hole over here I want to fix. Fuck, that wind's getting up. A bit of primer. Oh, I didn't bring me hammer and me chisel. Because there's a seam there, what I normally do is I get me chisel And I'll chisel along there and I'll get a bend into it. I think I'll have to go and get my chisel and do that. Yeah. So there is sealer going to go up over this. I got my snorkel, so my orcle for my snorkel, for my corking snorkeling gun. That goes in there. Now, I want to do this one slightly better. This hole here. So what I want to do is where's my drill? So what we do is I take screw. Fuck, this root's poppy. And then we cold chisel here. Another tech screw there. Right here, that's that. Now go along to this again. Right. Now I'll drill my holes. Done. Oh, God, my back. Holy fuck. Holy snapping arseholes. Not overly impressed with that, that's for sure. But there is sealer going over that. The other side of the roof really pops around, carries on. Righto, well, I'm getting off the room. I'm absolute agony. I'm bent and crippled at the moment. I need to get a plug for the top of this before it goes hard. And I need to cut a bit more off the end of this so I can get a little bit more under and around that edge there. So that's the holes patched, which is pretty much sanded. I may run over one more time with either the air sander, the orbital, or I might do a quick run over with the angle grinder and his buffeting blades. And that's how she's looking. So I just got to get a bit of elastic in around there, a lot better than what it is, but at the moment I've got to get off this roof. I'm in agony. A little bit more of a sand down, a little bit more sanding. Then I'll hit it with a layer of sealer. Let that dry for a couple of hours, maybe get one more layer of sealer on tonight, and hopefully paint tomorrow. So, right, well, I'll get back to you later. Right, lads. Oh my God, the pain I am feeling is excruciating. Oh, actually, yeah, it is pretty fucking sore. All right, so this is done enough. I'm just going to hope sealer fills those little holes. So anyway, I'm just going to get up on the roof up here. Rightio, so it's Friday today and they're saying rain Monday. There's clouds around. You can just sort of feel there's a bit of a moistury thing in the air. So anyway, done playing noughts and crosses on the roof of my bus. So there's the two panels. Not even going to start on that back part. That's fiberglass. I will get there, but at the moment, holes are filled. Reached elastic, dicked. I've used the T-Rex shit on it. Any bare metal I've hit with primer.
Still don't know what to do with this hole. And that panel's still putting down around about 4 or 5 amps. So that's really helping with those batteries. So I'm really struggling, absolutely. Back's absolutely killing me. Just gone 1 o'clock, so it's pretty warm up here. I'm getting a few good clouds, but I might hold off just a little bit longer and then get my first coat of sealant up there. If I do while it's too hot, the sealant pretty much dries as soon as it hits the tin, and you don't get quite the same amount of coverage. But anyway, I've been struggling coming up and down these ladders, that's for sure. I've been struggling on the grinder and that all day. My back's absolutely effing killing me. But more than anything, patches are done. That hopefully that bead underneath this cover here, that bottom bead, that's sealed up and done. Prime it up. I'll try and come back in about an hour and get at least 1 coat of sealer on, maybe 1 by the end of the day. We'll see how we go. So rightio, worlds, I'm going to find my way down this ladder. It's easier to get off the roof on this ladder than the other one, because I've got handles. Oh. So yes, and someone said it's definitely looking better up there. Brother Pete as well, likes me little toady stool. Yeah, it is. It's been a lot of hard work and plenty more hard work to go. I've still got the whole front section up here to do. I'm looking forward to even less of doing that. Same thing from, I think that bead forward's all fiberglass. Not looking forward to doing any of that. Plus I've got to strip out those panels. And I don't really want to do any of that either. Anyway. Right, well, yeah, it's definitely too hot to be up there throwing sealant on there now. Straight out of the bucket on the paintbrush, it'll just dry too quick. And I need to wait a little bit longer, so... Hope I catch you next week, Brother Ross. It'd be nice if you get to come over and get those eyeballs of yours working. I'll get back to you a bit later, hopefully when I've got at least 1 coat of sealant on up there. Later, bye. Alright, well, I'm going for it. This is it. Bucket and brush, camera. Let's get upstairs. Let's get this first coat of sealer on. Oh, shit. Oops, I'm sort of coming up no hands. Definitely don't want to spill. I definitely don't want to spill any of that on my solar panels. Rightio. Right, I'm going to start up here on this edge. Let's get it on. Oh. Rightio, first coat, just about done. Can't believe I got this far again today. Holy shit, I might get another one on. Still only around the 2 o'clock mark. I am feeling bucking buggered though, I know that much. But this needs, you need to let this have a good dry. I don't want to be putting another coat on it while it's sticky. I mean, alright, there's plenty of sun coming down, but it still has to dry. Oh, you're way over there. You probably can't even see me. Rightio, worlds. That's the first coat on. I'm going to leave it at that. And see if we get a second one on later today. If not, otherwise, rightio, world. Catch you later. Bye. Rightio, worlds. So I'm going to make a final push up there with the sealant. I'm going to start sort of where the purple ends, work my way along the middle, blah, 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 flip out the other side, blah, 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 and that should be knockoff. So, and I'm definitely enjoying the most of our beautiful Queensland winter weather. So yeah, oh fuck. I feel like somebody's just raped my ass for 24 hours straight. Oh my God. Fucking hell, I can barely walk. So yes, definitely enjoying our winter. So this is the last push, get this done. And there's not even any drinks at knockoff because I'm on a sober run, so we're not even going to have any drinks. It's basically get our asses into gear and let's get working. Right, leave you there. And it's still a little bit sticky. Anyway, let's get a final coat of sealer on this. Oop. Oh, I can now actually say the whole bus has had, well, sorry. So I can now say this whole section has had 2 coats of sealer. Now it just needs to dry off and I've got to paint. Maybe tomorrow, late this afternoon. Maybe late tomorrow, don't really know, but bottom line is, no rain at the moment. So yeah, bottom line is 2 coats on, it's done. Just gotta get some purple and some trim on. Obviously, I'm gonna paint these little things different colours. I'll probably just use my spray cans. I don't really know yet. I don't think I'm gonna be that precise. And then it's literally get these solar panels wired in. It was so good having me, so good having that one extra panel actually wired in today. Yeah, it did add an extra 3 to 4 amps coming down. It doesn't sound like a lot. It doesn't sound like a lot, but it all bloody counts. And I've still got another 4 panels to get up here and connected and work out how I want to do that. And then I've still got those other 2 batteries to hook up. So. Alright, so that's the end of today. I'm going to go and clean and wash brushes out. Alright, God, I've lost completely straight on. So it's only Thursday. How do I know that? Because it's midnight tonight. So I've got till Monday. I should have enough time to get this section of the bus painted up, trimmed up and looking pretty. Get down to that back section of the bus, get that scrubbed, sanded, sealed and painted. I'm going to forego the very front section of the bus and then once I've got this far and painted and everything's trimmed and all that done, now I realise today's Thursday, not Friday. Holy shit, that gives me an extra day. I can start really looking into getting these solar panels hooked up. So, but anyway, well, catch you later. Bye. I have no idea how many times I went up and down that ladder today, but it was a lot. It was a lot.